Traveling by air can be efficient and quick, but what happens when delays cause you to miss your connecting flight? Today, we'll guide you through your rights and how to claim the compensation you deserve. Understanding your flight compensation rights is critical in such situations. For instance, the EU regulation EC 61/2004 and DOT regulations are designed to protect passengers from the inconveniences of flight disruptions. Depending on your flight's origin and the airlines, your rights differ. If your journey is within the EU or involves an EU carrier, you're covered by EC 261/2004, ensuring compensation between 250 to 600 euros based on flight distance. Now, let's break this down a bit. For short-haul flights that are less than 1,500 kilometers, you're entitled to 250 euros. For medium-haul flights that are between 1,500 and 3,500 kilometers, it's 400 euros. And for long-haul flights that go beyond 3,500 kilometers, you could receive up to 600 euros. But it's not only about distance. The amount of delay also matters. If your delay is less than 3 hours, compensation may not apply. But if your delay is 3 hours or more, you're entitled to claim. Remember, these are your rights. Airlines might not volunteer this information, so it's crucial to be informed. Knowing your rights is the first step towards claiming your compensation. First, confirm the delay. Airlines must provide this, though it might require persistence. It's essential to get their confirmation in writing, be it an email, a text message, or a printed document. This is your proof, so hold on to it tight. Now you're probably wondering, what's next? Your next step is to collect all the necessary information and documents. This includes your boarding pass, e-ticket, and any other relevant documents that prove your journey's details. Remember, the more evidence you gather, the stronger your claim will be. Once you've got all your documents lined up, it's time to calculate the compensation owed. This could vary depending on the distance of your flight and the length of the delay. For instance, if you're flying within the EU and your delay is over 3 hours, you could be entitled to up to 600 euros. Quite a tidy sum, isn't it? But here's the thing, calculating the exact amount can be tricky. There are so many variables involved, and without a deep understanding of the regulations, you might end up shortchanging yourself. That's where professional services come in. They can simplify this process, estimating your claim quickly and accurately. These experts know the ins and outs of the system, ensuring that you get every penny you're owed. Professional services can simplify this, estimating your claim quickly. Dealing with airlines can be complex. Missed flights and delays can turn into lengthy processes and paperwork. But fear not. There are services like StopDelay that specialize in handling your compensation claims. These experts navigate the intricacies of airline policies, fight for your rights, and ensure you get every penny you're entitled to. They take the burden off your shoulders, handle the nitty-gritty, and turn your ordeal into a straightforward process. Companies like StopDelay ensure you receive what you're owed without the hassle. Don't let airline delays set you back. Remember, you have the right to be compensated when your flights go awry. It may seem daunting to navigate these waters alone, but you don't have to. Companies like StopDelay are here to guide you through the process, ensuring you receive the compensation you deserve. If you've missed your connection, contact StopDelay today for expert help. Visit our website for more detailed steps and tips on avoiding flight disruptions.